Carbon what now? What'd you say?
Carbon 60.
Oh, you mean the buckyball molecule?
Yes, that's the molecule.
Named after Buckminsterfuller?
Yes.
I know what carbon 60 is, but do you? Hi everyone, and welcome to the C60 show. In this episode, we're going to tell you everything you need to know about carbon 60, including, well, what it is.
Well, that's simple. It's a molecule, and it's a powerful antioxidant.
So, are we done here?
Well, there's more, of course. Hi, I'm Ken, Chief Science Officer and founder of C60 Purple Power.
And I'm Sierra, Certified Functional Nutrition Counselor. Maybe you just heard about C60 for the first time, or maybe you've been taking C60 oil for years and love the health benefits it gives you. Please let us know in the comments.
Yes, we'd love the chance to say hello.
Now, let's get right to it and answer the question, what is C60? Ken?
Oh, yes. But first, all opinions expressed in this video are for informational purposes only and are not a substitute for professional medical advice. These statements have not been evaluated by the Food and Drug Administration. C60 Purple Power products are not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, mitigate, or prevent any disease.
Individual results may vary. So what is C60? Well, C60 is short for carbon 60. It's a molecule just like this model here, shaped like a soccer ball, and characterized by those who've studied it as a free radical sponge.
Yes, C60 is one of the most powerful antioxidants ever discovered.
And it is the only molecule of a single element that forms a spherical cage.
Yeah, its cage-like structure gives C60 the unique ability to neutralize free radicals and reset itself again and again.
Do you know that C60 is actually more powerful than most antioxidants, like several hundred times more powerful than vitamin C, for instance? That's a lot of orange juice.
I'm over it.
So, Ken, how was it discovered?
The molecule was originally hypothesized to exist by American architect, system theorist, author, designer, inventor, and futurist Buckminsterfullerene. In the 1970s, he predicted the existence of the carbon 60 molecule and that it would be used in medicine in the future.
How did he predict that? I don't understand. He's like, this molecule must exist because why?
I don't know, remote viewing.
He had special powers. Okay, so where does C60 come from?
Well, originally it was found in, the evidence of it was found in outer space, being produced in the atmospheres of giant red stars. Now, C60 is also found in nature, and of course being found in the stars, it predates life on Earth, but like, for instance, it's found in the burnt wick of your candle. You'll see it's about 0.25%.
That's not very much.
No, it isn't. And in lightning strikes on trees, they find it. Even in the KT boundary, where the dinosaurs got wiped out by that asteroid, meteoric impacts also make C60. So they find one of the ways they know it was a meteoric impact is traces of iridium in carbon 60.
Interesting. So C60 basically existed before life on Earth.
Yes, and actually in the very, very early Earth, when there was many meteoric impacts, there was probably geologic deposits of C60, naturally produced fats, lipids, and amino acids.
Interesting. So maybe it even has something to do with the formation of biological life.
Yes, it does. It would have been the ideal scaffolding for RNA and DNA chemistry to occur on. Oh, and by the way, people should know that the scientists that discovered this, Harry Crocho,
Richard
Smalley, and Robert Curl, got a Nobel Prize in 1996 in chemistry for the discovery of Buckminsterfullerene.
Now, if you want to look at some of the research that has been done on C60, you can visit shopc60.com/research and check out the human-based scientific studies that have found multiple health benefits of C60, which gets to my next question. Why do people take C60?
Well, people take C60 because it's basically a free radical sponge. It lifts the oxidative burden at the cellular level, and which allows your cells to function the way they used to be when you were much younger, and your antioxidant production that you naturally produce was a little higher. And the things that it does in the body, it optimizes mitochondria function. That means you're going to get increased ATP and pregnenolone, the precursor molecule of all the hormones. And what does that result in? Well, it results in increased energy, mental clarity, that brain fog goes away, you can think clearer, and stamina. And also,
hey, I'm signed up. That's all I needed to hear. Thank you.
Yeah, and also there's also in other studies that C60 promotes a balanced immune response. And of course, one of the greatest things it does is supports athletic performance and recovery from that athletic performance. And other studies have shown it may help in mild memory loss associated with aging.
C60 also helps promote skin vitality and hair growth, and it may lessen the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles when applied topically. But for more, to dig deeper into the health benefits, definitely check out the video that I'm linking to right here. We hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like it and share it with your friends.
And if you'd like to try C60 for yourself, visit shopc60.com and remember to use the coupon code TheC60Show for 10% off your entire order.
If you're watching us on YouTube today, make sure to subscribe to our channel because we'd really love to see you again, and click the bell icon to get a notification every time we upload something new.
See you next time.